how to make lightning effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and select a project that you want to add the lightning effect to. So here I've already selected a project. Now select the area where you want to add that effect to. So for example, if I want to add the effect over this area, I'm going to tap on that area and then select on effects, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on video effects, and on the search bar you can directly search for lightning, and then you'll be able to see different options that are related to lightning and light trails and so on. You can select any of the options that most suits your project. For example, I'm going to select on this one over here, and after getting it implemented, I'm going to go back and see how it looks. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.